And if someone will say no, but there is medical science saving us, and there are hospitals, but where is quality? Living, staying on the bed for in the ICU with the oxygen, is this life? Is this life you want? Right? No. So we want the life where we can, live disease free, illness free, with the nature and the way we want to. But this is something nowadays, kind of fortunate people only can get these kind of life nowadays, because everyone is so much busy in making, I don't know what you call it, money, but there is no money also in the end, isn't it? So there is nothing in the end. So why people are running, and this is the only reason why people are getting sick also and getting disease also. So maybe, hopefully, I hope that by the end of these 10 days, we will be able to gain some kind of insights. And definitely, these are not my wordings. These are the wordings of our saints and sages who have given us this knowledge 5,000 years back. I'm not saying exactly 5,000 years back. The Ayurveda and yoga is way more older than this, but we do not have any more proofs to prove that what is the time period of it, because it is always time tested, both of the things. And we know that if you follow it, then definitely it improves your lifestyle, isn't it? So until unless you will improve your lifestyle, how you are going to go ahead? What is the purpose of the life?